And welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at Hedera Hashgraph, also known as Hbar. It's currently ranked 29th with a market capitalization of about $2 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of about $155.28 million. We're seeing some interesting price action on the chart for Hedera, which we'll talk about. Let's start by looking at the chart for Hedera Hashgraph versus the USD on a 4-hourly time frame. The data for this study comes from Binance. Those of you who have been following us may remember that we talked about the support level in this area before, especially with the 200 EMA. We said that Hedera was showing strong bull ISH behavior, and since then we've seen a PUSH up followed by a retest of smaller EMAs like the 20 and 80 EMAs. Right now, the price is at 16, which confirms our belief that Hedera is still bullish. We may see some consolidation in this area, but it's important to remember that we've already seen a big move of about 6% during this time, so we should expect a potential pullback. The bullish momentum for Hedera remains strong as indicated by the expanding outer rings on our indicators. Despite the overbought conditions, there are no signs of Hedera slowing down, suggesting that we will likely see further upward movement. However, it is essential to highlight that we may experience some consolidation over the next few days as the overbought conditions return to the rings before pushing back up. This aligns with the way the cloud indicator functions. As a result, we may not witness an immediate breakout for Hedera, but rather a period of consolidation followed by an eventual breakout. This can be observed in our RC and Hbar Z-score indicators, where we expect consolidation before a significant upward push. Overall, Hedera Hashgraph remains very bullish, and we are anticipating a strong push to the upside. That concludes our analysis for today. If you find value in our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for taking the time to watch. Have a blessed day. Now let's shift our focus to Ethereum. Ethereum has been experiencing substantial growth not only in the past week, but also in the last day. This demonstrates the positive market sentiment and investor confidence in Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that makes it possible to make smart contracts and other apps that don't need a central server. dApps's original cryptocurrency, ETH, is used to power the Ethereum network and run smart contracts. Due to its role as a pioneer in blockchain technology, Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community. The Ethereum network has changed how we think of and carry out digital contracts. Decentralized apps and even donations through initial coin offerings. The impact of Ethereum has led to innovation and inspired a lot of other projects to build on its foundation, which has helped the crypto space grow and improve as a whole. The blockchain technology behind Ethereum is the basis for many of the applications and projects in its ecosystem. Developers can use Ethereum's smart contract feature to build decentralized applications that are open, tamper-proof, and run on their own. This natural area encourages new ideas in areas like open non-fungible tokens, NFTs, DeFi finance. One of the most important ways that Ethereum can be used is for open supply chain management, identity verification, and many other things. Money and finances. DeFi platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to offer financial services like loans, borrowing, yield farming, decentralized exchanges, and the creation of synthetic assets. As people look for decentralized alternatives to standard financial systems, the growth of DeFi has made Ethereum more important and used. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and physical things, have also grown in popularity because of Ethereum's features. NFTs have become very popular in areas like digital art, games, collectibles, and intellectual property rights. Because of its compatibility and strength, Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT growth and transactions. As Ethereum continues to grow and change, its future looks very bright. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's move to a proof-of-stake consensus method, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This change has gotten a lot of attention from the crypto community because it could open up even more opportunities for Ethereum's growth and use. The fact that it has a value of 1920 and is very interesting make it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. Its importance in the crypto community cannot be overstated, as Ethereum's strong environment is a key driver of innovation and decentralization. Ethereum is used in many areas, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are shaping the future of finance and digital ownership. As Ethereum continues to grow, its potential for more growth and impact is undeniably exciting for investors, developers, and the wider crypto community. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate, because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally determine the best mix of ways to integrate. Price of Bitcoin. As of right now, the price of Bitcoin is $29,366. In the last 24 hours, $6.1 billion worth of Bitcoin has been traded. On CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is at the top and has a market value of $571 billion. There are currently 19,455,681 BTC coins in circulation, but the most that can be made is 21 million BTC coins. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin support level, which is around $29,000.